Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching again. We are still in Disneyland Paris and we are in Adventureland. So, well, adventure is out there, so let's get started. Adventureland. In the back we have the Pirates of the Caribbean, which is closed for refurbishment right now. So that's really sad. Then we have the Skull Rock, the boat of Captain Hook. Then there's a playground. Here we have a very adventurous bridge, and in the back there is the Robinson Treehouse, which is a walk-through attraction. And in the back of this land there's also the Temple of Peril, which is a Indiana Jones inspired roller coaster. Here we have a map of Adventure Island, which is not the complete Adventureland because it's without the Indiana Jones roller coaster and it is without the Pirates of the Caribbean. But this is like the playful island where there are lots of caverns and you can well, go in there and get lost and climb around, and you can even find a treasure. This is the Swiss family treehouse of the Swiss family. So that's actually the Robinson family. And they got stranded on an island and they built this treehouse. So you can climb up there and see how they used to live. Here's Captain Hook's boat, and sometimes, but that is very rarely, they allow people to go on. So if you're here and they do that, then go ahead and do it because you're one of few. In the caves there are many routes that you can take. You can go down Davy Jones's locker and find the treasure, or go to the right to Skull Rock. There's the treasure inside the cave, go look for it. That does not look steady, does it? Oh, it's really unsteady. Okay. When you're bouncing around and climbing around in the jungle, make sure to pay your respects to Russell and Mr. Fredrickson. Here we have a big shipwreck we can bounce over. So this is the merch for the Festival of the Lion King. For instance, this shirt, Jungle Rhythm, which is $25.99. They have mugs. Those are pretty cool. How much are they?
$10.99.
$10.99, okay. And you have the kids shirts, which are very colorful. Those are nice. Let's see if I can find a price there. $12.99. These are the special Festival of the Lion King ears with lights in them. And they are 20 euros. Those look really cute at night. Of course, lots and lots of stuffed animals. Let's look at the Pumbaa for a sec. Oh, he has bugs in his mouth. Oh, that's cute. These are $29.99, so 30 euros. And then you have your very own Pumbaa. Indiana Jones also has a fast pass entrance. I found a quiet spot near the Temple of Peril, the Indiana Jones roller coaster. And I want to tell you something about that, because the roller coaster opened in 1992, I believe, and it ran perfectly, only it was a very low capacity coaster. So not many people could get in at once, and they wanted to change that. And they redid the vehicle so they could have more people in them. But they also changed another thing. They make it go backwards, the entire drive. And they had to redo all the hydraulics and the engines and also the teaming, because The roller coaster was themed facing forward, but when you turn backwards, everything was, well, it wasn't really pretty. So they had to do that again. And then it opened again, and people were not that enthusiastic because basically they just wanted a normal roller coaster going forward instead of one that goes backward. So it took them 5 years, I believe, and after 5 years they changed it back again. So now it's a roller coaster that goes forward, and it's no longer the weird backwards kind of thing. So very good investment, Disney. This restaurant here is Colonel Hattie's Pizza Outpost, and they also made some changes here. So as you can see now, as I said, Colonel Hattie, who is from the Jungle Book, a book by Kipling, and Disney made a lovely movie of that. Who does not like the bare necessities? Here is actually a detail that it used to be something else. It used to be the Explorers Club. And it was also the same restaurant. It was in here, except it was about explorers and not about the Jungle Book. And in this restaurant, I didn't know what they served then, don't know what the menu was, but right then you could meet explorers from the olden days. They would walk around in the restaurant, it would be interactive, you could take pictures with them, and they would tell you things like what they've been through on their adventures. Apparently it wasn't that popular, because otherwise Disney would probably not have changed it, and they refurbished it into the Jungle Book themed Colonel Hattie's. Another weird thing, at least I think it's weird, is that they serve pizza over here. I don't really see how pizza is a jungle vibe kind of food, but maybe that's just me. Here is the Aladdin walkthrough attraction, which tells you the story of Aladdin. There's the lamp! So guys, this was our journey through the jungle of Adventureland. A great land, I really like it. And yeah, lots of things to do. A couple of walkthroughs, the Aladdin and the Swiss Robinson treehouse. That's also a good one to beat the crowds and to have something to do without actually standing in line. Of course, the Pirates of the Caribbean is amazing, but it was closed for refurbishment right now, which was kind of bad, but okay. You know, they have to maintain their maintenance, of course. So yes, a good land. I had fun. Hope you guys did too. If so, then please subscribe to my channel and push that little thumbs up button. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a good day, and I wish you a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye guys!